Good morning, dear student. Again, we are going to start oxidation reduction reaction in our daily life. So let us discuss on reference with hydrogen. Yesterday we have discussed oxidation in the terms of oxygen. Today in the terms of hydrogen. So for this, take another example of chemical reaction. So here H2S combined with chlorine to form HCl and sulfur. My dear student, what happened? Here is H2S converted into S. What is this? Removal of hydrogen. You must write over it. यहाँ ऊपर एरो के हेड पर लिखो removal of hydrogen. Removal of hydrogen means yes oxidation. Okay? ये पहले फाइंड करना है. Now here Cl2 combined with hydrogen to form HCl. What is happening here? That is addition of hydrogen. If addition of hydrogen takes place, then it is called reduction. So my dear student, in any chemical reaction you must find oxidation and reduction. Then you are able to answer any questions. So 4 questions will be asked. Substance oxidized, substance reduced, oxidizing agent, reducing agent. Only that 4 questions will be arise. Now you can easily give the answer. Substance oxidized means oxidation. किसका हुआ oxidation? H2S. So substance oxidized will be H2S. Substance reduced reduction. किसका reduction हो रहा है? Cl2. Yes, Cl2. Now oxidizing agent Cl2. उसका ये और उसका ये लिख देना हमने ट्रिक्स कल बताया था. Now and reducing agent H2S. So dear student, it is very easy to find. Now take another example in which oxygen and hydrogen both are there in a chemical reaction. Suppose this is Mn2 combined with HCl to form MnCl2, Cl2 and H2. आप यहाँ देखेंगे क्या है ऑक्सीजन भी है हाइड्रोजन भी है. So for that, how can we find out oxidation reduction reaction? So let us discuss. Here MnO2 converted to MnCl2. What happened to the oxygen? Addition or removal? Yes, removal of oxygen. The removal of oxygen means reduction. Again you see here HCl. HCl converted into Cl2. What is going on? Yes, removal of hydrogen. And removal of hydrogen is called oxidation. Now if you find oxidation reduction, then you can easily answer. Now substance oxidized, HCl, oxidation is called HCl. So HCl will be substance oxidized. Substance reduced, reduction is called MnO2. MnO2. फिर इसका ये कर दो MnO2. फिर इसका ये कर दो, that is HCl. So you can find easily substance oxidized, substance reduced, oxidizing, reducing agent. Simple tricks. By simple tricks. First of all, find out oxidation and reduction going on. Oxidation और reduction हो रहा है उसको पता करो, तब उसके बाद से आप आराम से लिख सकते. This is on the basis of hydrogen and oxygen. Now there is another concept that is called electronic concept of oxidation reduction reaction. So electronic concept of oxidation reduction. Simply a trick is you learn Leo Gar. Lion bola gar. Lion bola gar. Yes. Leo. Loss of electron. O means oxidation. Gar. Gain of electron. R means reduction. Loss of electron होगा. Oxidation होगा. Gain of electron होगा. Reduction होगा. So electronic concept, by electronic concept you also, it is very important and easy way to find oxidation reduction. Suppose this reaction copper sulfate जिंक के साथ react करता है, जिंक सल्फेट और कॉपर बनता है. My dear student, in aqueous form, copper sulfate is in the form of copper ion and zinc sulfate ion. Okay, and it is zinc. Now Zinc sulfate and zinc ion and sulfate ion and copper. Now you see, इसका हम आयोनिक इक्वेशन लिखते हैं. Suppose copper sulfate have copper ion, that is zinc. Okay. Here zinc sulfate means zinc ion and that is copper. Ionic equation हमने लिख दिया. Now what happened to the copper ion? Copper ion converted into copper. What happened here? Gain of electron or loss of electron? Ion converted into atom. That is gain of electron. That is reduction. Okay. Now zinc is converted into zinc ion. That is loss of electron. जब एटम जो है आयन में चेंज हो रहा है तो इलेक्ट्रॉन लॉस हो रहा है. That is loss of electron. That is oxidation. Yes, oxidation. So on that basis, you can also come to conclusion how to write oxidation reduction reaction. Now substance oxidized will be किसका ऑक्सीडेशन हुआ? जिंक का. सॉरी जिंक. किसका रिडक्शन हुआ? कॉपर सल्फेट का. दैट इज कॉपर सल्फेट. देन यू राइट कॉपर सल्फेट एंड जिंक. So my dear student, this is whole about oxidation reduction reaction. This is the heart of the topic. In this chapter, this is the heart and soul of the topic. This is a very important topic. You must remember it and do number of questions related to this. And only a last topic remain in this chapter, that is corrosion and acidity. Thank you. Have a nice day.